not gonna lie, this is the most terrifying driving I've ever done. So today is Fuel Fest. It is a rainy, horrible day. And today, I'm hanging out with Rich and Auto, and I get to drive that thing. Let's go check out Fuel Fest. I'm driving. I'm driving. Pablo, why do you have me driving this GTR in the rain? This is arguably the scariest bit of driving I've probably done. Wide body GTR on bags, making how much power? Oh, 560. Oh, yeah, on low boost, 560 on pump gas. In the rain, headed to Fuel Fest. I mean, oh my God.
I think that's like a one-off.
Oh yeah. Let's not forget I'm in the rain driving in Los Angeles in a wide body R34 that has a one-off kit. Alright, we need gas. This thing is absolutely a blast and terrifying to drive in the rain. We're finally here.
Finally on the R34, the red R34. There it is.
First of all,
Are you late?
don't ask me why I'm late. GTR tracking and bumping all over the place on bags. Bad idea, Chase. Bad idea.
Yeah, I would have my hair.
We would have had more GTRs, but due to the rain, we weren't able to make it here in time.
He was driving too slow.
I was terrified. I was absolutely terrified because it was like bam, bam.
How many horsepower did you feel?
Like all of what, like 10 miles an hour. And I was scared and dodging every Prius in the world. It was horrible. But anyway, we're here at Fuel Fest, so let's go see some cars. Here at Fuel Fest, behind me, there is the brand new Supra, which will be coming out later this year. But we're going to check out the Supra, and let me know what you think about it in the comments. Are you excited for it? Do you want to see it? Are you going to get one? Check it out.
They took every part and stress tested it to Toyota standards, so it would be for their reliability and warranty and everything else. So they sent parts back and forth to Germany and they said, hey, this didn't meet our standards, redo this, redo that. They changed certain things about
It's freaking raining. I'm tired of this rain. I'm ready to leave. I'm leaving, Tana. I know, and I'm leaving.
Cars. No, let's go look at Supras.
In the rain?
Yeah! Hell yeah!
Okay, so this is like my sister. It's weird.
We've known each other since I was in 8th grade, so you were in 9th grade. And we didn't even live in the same town, but I was best friends with a girl that went to his high school, and so she always made me go to her home parties there, and I always hung out with Steve, and then went and ate at fucking, what's that burger place? Oh.
Whataburger.
No, and Whataburger. No, the one we do with the burgers. No.
Oh, Fuddruckers.
Yeah, Fuddruckers! We always would go to Fuddruckers.
Fuddruckers. course. That's how, yeah. We go way back like Fuddruckers and awesomeness. And then next over here,
Everyone's happy they can make 1,000.
Right, of course.
Is he talking about cars?
That's Tana's daddy.
He's younger than me though. Today he called me grandma. This morning I said, so this is what happened.
Wow.
Listen to how big of a sissy he is. So last night, our little puppy Red, you know the little one, she has little baby teeth. She was laying down under the covers, and he was trying to cuddle me, and she was in the way. So he pushed her with his foot, and she bit his toe and cut it. And he's like, she bit my toe. He turns on the lights and is like, my toe's bleeding. And I was like, I'm sorry.
Which toe did you get bit on?
This little ass dog bit my toe.
Right, he's gonna be exhibit, but times 10.
I'm not gonna be exhibit. I'm not gonna be exhibit.
Okay.
Hey! I don't know what that was. Alright, I'm tired of staying in the rain.
That's my old car.
Can we go get food and leave? We're going to get food.
I'm leaving. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go home then. Alright. To recap, we just left Fuel Fest. It was raining really, really bad, and unfortunately, my camera's not weather sealed. I skipped out on that one. So, we ended up leaving. It was raining, but it was a great little event. You know, this is the first Fuel Fest, and I know there's going to be another one. Shout out to Cody Walker and Reach Out Worldwide, Tyrese, Supercar Blondie, you know, Petro Girl. Everybody was there. Original Auto for letting me drive this R34 in the rain, which is the most terrifying driving I've ever done. What's up, everybody? So I kind of felt bad about not getting a lot of coverage from Fuel Fest because it was pouring rain and I hate the rain and I was super soaked. Anyway, so to make up to you, I'm going to include today, we're going to be going to Original Auto to check out their little dyno day. It's going to be hot. We got some Supras. Tana has her Supra now. Woo! So we got Nicholas. Nick's gonna take me, bro. And then we're gonna be rolling to Original Auto, yeah.
Jackpot.
It's bigger than hip hop. It's bigger than hip hop.
So we're at Original Auto's Dyno Day, kicking it off. Right now I'm in their body shop. Yes, they do it all. They do tuning, engine building, chassis fabrication, and body work, all in one place. So check it out behind me. They've got their VQ swapped S14. Pretty freaking sick. Definitely just the drift beater. We'll have to get some videos of that sliding around the track at some point. And then up here, they're building their R32 drift car, which is going to have a RB25 swapped into it. Originally, it is a true GTR, but this one they've yanked the RB26 for a better purpose, and we'll put RB25 in here so they can slide this thing around. And also, you know, I'll get a video of that when that's done. And this car, actually, this is the car that you saw earlier in the video. We drove it yesterday to Fuel Fest in the rain. I was terrified. But wide body, one-off kit, airbagged, fully built.
These niggas
R34.
leeches, bitches, blood suckers. 100, keep it 100, drug runner, top gunner, young motherfucker.
All the GTRs are gonna be here. R32, R33s, R34s, even R35s.
You a little bitch, pull up, bad bitch, and we getting lit, talk shit. Bullshit, talk cash strip, sauce strip.
Nick, Uncle Gary's coming.
Okay.
He's bringing his GTR.
No, he's not. He's bringing a GTT. That car is rear-wheel drive.
Uncle Gary in the building.
Say I love you, but she ain't a real bitch.
Uncle Gary, what's up, man?
My niggas leave you with this. Life a bitch, oh well, that's the way it is. I'm really with the shit's thuggin' it. I done grew up hustling, this and that and other shit. I can't put no trust in it. MOB, I'm brotherless. Tell a bitch my girl with me, then she start to love the kid. bloodsuckers. 100, keep a 100 drug runner.
Bro, it's the best GTR conversion I've ever seen.
Why you gotta hurt his feelings like that?
It's gonna be all-wheel drive. He has the diff.
That's the SC300, right?
Yeah.
Hey, put the hood brother.
With a Supra front end swap.
It's Galaxy. That'll cover. Is it GTT?
No, it's a GTR. We're hurting Gary's feelings.
So how do you like having your car back?
It's cool. It's nothing like this, man. You know, all these guys running wild cars and turbos. That fucking thing sketching me out. I don't know why the fuck you died on a car that high next to the Empire State Building, but they know something I don't know. So.
Tana, what are you
I've
doing?
never done a burnout on this car, and I've had it since 2014.
You've never done a burnout? I mean, you need tires.
I did a burnout on a Supra. These are tires? What you mean?
Nick, is she ready for her first burnout?
She's ready.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. That was pretty good for your first burnout.
Was it good?
That was pretty good for your first burnout.
That was my first.
That was your first burnout. That was pretty good. I mean, now you need tires though.
Smells good. New ones?
Fuck that. I'm getting way back here.
Jesus Christ.
That's
When you work around airplanes, you're used to noise. So that ain't nothing.
That ain't nothing.
Ain't like ain't no F-35, but you know, I ain't gonna lie. My booty hole tickled.
I don't know why people let me drive their cars, but I'm thankful that they do. So as an added treat, I'm gonna get Pablo to launch his 750 horsepower R32 just for you guys. Are you gonna launch it?
Yes.
I hope I got that.
Oh!
My dumb ass is about to run. My dumb ass is about to run out there.
I was like, no, Gary, no, don't get him, no, Gary, no extra crispy, Gary, no extra crispy, Gary.
We really had to go and ask permission so we didn't get in trouble. So thank you to the neighbors.
Man, yeah, we got to get out of here. I'm sure the cops are coming now, so we got to go. Let's get in the cars. We gotta go.
You're hella close to it.
When you see GTRs, you hear music. Oh wait, no, it's the ice cream truck. Yeah, I'm gonna get ice cream. I'm gonna get ice cream. Ice cream and GTRs. What should I get? Should I get the Sonic? Should I get the Batman, the Tweety Bird? Got that Sonic. Ice cream. Got that Sonic.
Yeah, so I'm trying to find somebody who's actually somewhat of an idea like how big. It's big. It's not little anymore. You don't have to worry.
Skylines and ice cream. Skylines and ice cream. I almost choked. I almost choked. All right, here we go. Skylines and ice cream. If there's anything you need to know about Gary, is Gary always blesses us with one of his signature poses. For example.
You're in my way. I'm modeling, Steve.
Oh, my bad. Get your smile on.
man.
All right, Gary, you're a tiger in the Kansas, you know what I'm saying, or wherever the jungle is. Hit him with that long stretch. Hit him with that long. All right, you Batman hanging off the building. Oh, hit him with that. Hit him with that. Hey, hit him with that WWE flex. Oh. What's up, everybody? Hopefully you enjoyed the vlog. If you like what you saw, please hit the subscribe button, press like, share with your friends, tell your mama, tell your daddy. You can follow us on Instagram and Twitter at GETBTW. And remember, turn miles into smiles, and until next time.
That's it. I'm about to shit my pants.